everyone, welcome to another episode of Car Crazy Kids. Today we're diving into a world of something big, strong, and reliable. It's the Tata 407, India's first LCV introduced in 1986 and is still the highest selling LCV in the country.
Let's do the unboxing. We have a scale model of Tata 407 from Centy Toys. It looks cool and just like the real one. Join me in this journey where our boy is about to carry the harvest of paddy from south to the north of India. Feel free to overload this truck. It's always up for a challenge. It's a long and arduous journey, passing through some of the dangerous passes of the Eastern Ghats. Let's start. On its way back, our boy is going to carry a load of teakwood from the foothills of Himalayas back to the south. Now it looks like an elephant on wheels. It's been a long and tiresome journey. Now let's give him a nice bath. If you enjoyed cruising through this video, give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.